At Lantz Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains constant. There is always a story. One of the many unique offerings in the Shenandoah Valley is its diverse mix of institutions of higher education, including Bridgewater College. Located in the heart of Bridgewater, its vibrant campus offers a safe college town to call home with larger cities nearby. Because the college has such a rich history, many of its buildings have undergone renovations over time, including Cole Hall, a staple on campus, first built in 1929.
Lantz completed Cole Hall's most recent renovation in 2021, which included a roof replacement to maintain the structural integrity of the building.
In addition to our campus store, Cole Hall has been home to so many events and concerts and lectures throughout the years, and we're excited that the building will continue to be a home of education and entertainment for years to come.
Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lantz Construction.